I'm just gonna record more of that whiny noise in the background without talking too much. It's literally been going off for like over 2 hours at this point. The non-believer, just one thing I'm going to say before I stop talking. The non-believers are always going to come up with excuses, scientific garbage that basically the Matrix has conditioned them to think through. And they have to come up with some scientific explanation for everything. But unless if you have lived it, you would always come up with excuses for everything. And I don't blame you. This is just how that filthy Satan and the stupid garbage elites have conditioned everyone to think through. As they make everyone anxious about thinking outside of the box, worrying about others, calling them crazy or something. They cover themselves really well. Yeah. And it's not working on me though. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up right now and just film this odd noise in the background. That should be enough. But before I end this video, I just wanted to highlight something that whenever I talk crap about those entities and demons, which are 100 million% real, whether you believe it or not, I truly hope that God opens your eyes. When I talk crap, I don't intend to make myself look strong or brave or whatever. It's none of that. It's truly out of just true angst and like disgust for them. But also because I'm confident that God is always with me. All my strength, all my ability to stay focused and to stay fearless is through God. And I have full confidence in God and everything. I just wanted to point that out. And yeah, have a good one, guys.